In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark answers on Typeform in a comprehensive 2025 tutorial. This process is crucial if you're aiming to create engaging quizzes or surveys while ensuring that your respondents are evaluated accurately. Let's dive into each step, making sure you have all the insights needed for seamless setup. First, let's begin by heading over to Typeform. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to select the specific form or quiz that you intend to mark answers for. This is your starting point for configuring your assessment settings. Next, you'll want to enable quiz mode. Open the form page and navigate over to the Settings tab. Within this section, you'll find a toggle labeled Quiz Mode. Switch it on. Activating quiz mode is essential as it allows you to assign scores and identify correct answers, setting the stage for evaluating responses effectively. Now it's time to move on to choosing the questions that you want to mark. Focus on questions that are either multiple choice or drop-down types, as these are compatible with the marking tools. Click on a question and you'll see the question settings menu appear. Here you need to locate the correct answer option. This is where you'll identify which selections are the correct ones. Once you've identified the correct answer option, your next task is to mark those correct answers. Check the box next to the option that you know is accurate. If you plan to incorporate a scoring system, this is also where you'll assign points to each correct answer. By doing this, Typeform will automatically calculate scores for each respondent using the parameters you set, making the evaluation automatic and efficient. Having marked your answers and assigned points, it's important to test your quiz to ensure everything functions as intended. Use the preview mode to submit test responses. As you do this, verify that the scoring and feedback are behaving correctly. If something feels off, this is the best time to adjust points, answers, or feedback before you go live. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your quiz runs, it's time to share it. Click on the share button and choose copy link to send this quiz out to participants directly. Alternatively, if you're aiming for a smoother user experience, you can embed the quiz on your website. This integrated approach ensures your quiz is accessible and user-friendly, reaching respondents right where they are comfortable. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional, accurately scored quiz ready to share with the world. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to utilize Typeform to its fullest potential.